Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to connect a payment link on Instamojo with ConvertKit using Zapier. If you're new to ConvertKit, don't forget to check out the free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, just log in and follow along. To get started, you'll first need a Zapier account. This tool helps you connect ConvertKit with Instamojo seamlessly. Once you're logged in, head over to your Zapier dashboard, click Create, and then select Zaps to start setting up your automation. If you get stuck along the way, the Copilot feature on Zapier can help guide you step by step. Next, choose ConvertKit and Instamojo from the list of available apps. Fill in all the required details on the right side of the screen. You'll also need to set a trigger event, in this case, the payment event from Instamojo. To connect your ConvertKit account, click Sign In and enter your API key. You can find this key by logging into your ConvertKit account, navigating to Developer Settings, and copying the secret key. Paste it into Zapier, then click Yes, Connect to ConvertKit. Now, repeat this process to log into your Instamojo account using your email and password. After both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings. Once everything looks good, click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it! You've successfully connected your Instamojo payment link with ConvertKit. From now on, each time someone makes a payment through your link, their information can automatically be added to your ConvertKit list, helping you save time and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.